Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize what are these? Many of you might have already recognized what this is. Yes, this is the garlic. Last year we planted garlic, and it takes about 8 to 10 months to grow a full-grown garlic. These are normally planted during the months of September to October. Last year also we planted the garlics during the months of September to October. During that time we planted two types of garlic. We planted the single clove garlics, which can be easily found in the market. And we planted garlic tubes on the other ones. Before this, we earlier also planted two types of different garlics, but they all came out fine. But right now the garlics look a little immature, and this is the first time this ever happened. And as September is around the corner, it is almost the season to plant the garlics. That's why we uploaded this video, so that you do not repeat the same mistake as us. Last year when we planted garlic, we did use some loamy and fertile soil. And we also took care of our plants properly, such as digging from time to time and also removing all the weeds. Then we also gave manure such as kitchen waste compost, which will fulfill all its micro and macronutrients. No different care was taken between those two plants. And during the month of April, we harvested some garlic. But we did not harvest all the garlic fully, as the leaves were still green. And we must only harvest the garlic when the leaves have turned brownish and dry. But due to the heavy rain earlier, we noticed that the garlics were rotting slowly because of the water retention. Therefore, we harvested the garlic plants. And after harvesting the garlic, we noticed that they aren't the usual garlic that we harvest. It was single cloves of garlic. And we had never seen anything like this before. And it's not also like it's immature. It had been in our garden for almost around 7 to 8 months. So it's almost time they have to be mature. But the garlics which we planted from the garlic tubes were fine. We had never seen something as strange as this before. Do you guys know if this is a new type of garlic? Or does this garlic simply needs to be more mature? This garlic had a really strong flavor, more stronger than any normal garlic. If you have any kind of idea about this type of garlic, then make sure to let us know in the comment section below. That's all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.